Hello friends. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to speed up your Windows for free, without any installation. So, let's get started. Before we starting, I suggest you, please update your Windows to the latest version, and regularly check for updated as well, because a non-updated system may cause performance issues, and there is no doubt in it. Step No. 1. Delete unnecessary temporary files. For that, head over to the Start menu and right-click on Windows icon, then choose Run from here. Now type %temp% and click on OK. Now you will see this folder. Select everything in it and delete. Now close the folder. Now again by right-clicking on the Windows icon and choose Run. Now just type temp and click on OK. Now a folder will be opened, then select all the files and just delete them. Now again go to Run box and for this time let's type prefetch. Now click on OK. Now you will see dialog box. Just click on Continue. Then select all the files in it, and delete them. Now, close the window. Step No. 2. Power Option Settings. By going to Search, type in Control, and selecting Control Panel. Then click on System and Security. The area that can have a huge impact on your computer's performance are the power settings. For this one, select Power Options. Depending on the manufacturer of your computer, you may have different power plans listed. If you're using the Power Saver option, you will save on energy at the expense of your computer's overall performance. If you want the biggest performance boost, change your power plan to High Performance. And if want to strike the perfect balance between saving electricity and performance, select Balanced, which is still a performance upgrade when compared with Power Saver. If your computer has pre-installed softwares or you have programs you have installed that you no longer use, it's best to remove them from your computer. Not only do they can take a valuable drive space that can reduce performance, some will load processes at startup using resources, increasing the time it takes your computer to boot up. Here in the control panel, go to Programs. Click on any program that you no longer need, and select Uninstall. Step No. 4. Disable unwanted startup programs. For that, first you need to go to the Task Manager. Just go to your Start screen, and right-click on this Windows icon. Now you will see this menu. From here you're gonna want to choose Task Manager. Once you're at the Task Manager, go to Startup tab, and here you will see all the programs that starts automatically when your system starts. When you install program in Windows, it may add a small program that runs when Windows starts. After installing a lot of software, you may experience boot up process could become slow, and this programs run on the system background forever, and it cause you system performance slowdown. If there are programs you don't use much, they probably don't need to start every time Windows does. So I will show you how to disable unwanted startup programs to achieve a better startup speed and system performance. And you can see many of the programs that we regularly use as well as many programs that we never use on a daily basis. Identify them and apply this. For example, if you are not an active uTorrent user, you can disable uTorrent. And let me disable some more programs as well that I will not use regularly. And make sure do not disable your programs published by Microsoft, because maybe these programs running your Windows. And do not disable your antivirus too. That's it, we all done here. Now close the Task Manager. Step No. 5. Disk Cleanup. Now go to Start menu icon, then right-click on it, and select File Explorer. Now right-click on the drive which you wanna clean. I am selecting local disk C. So, right-click on it, and select Properties, and then click on Disk Cleanup and let it run. Make sure to click on Clean up system files. In some systems a dialog box shows permanently delete files. Click on delete files, and this will delete unnecessary files in your machine. Guys, don't worry about deleting files, because it cleans only unnecessary files, which makes your machine slow. Step No. 6 is how to reduce runtime services. So, first thing we gonna do is go to Start menu, right click on it, and select Run from there. Then type msconfig, and click on OK. Make sure you're gonna click on Services. Make sure you click on Hide all Microsoft services. That's really important. You don't want to delete any important thing. Make sure that's checked. Then just click on OK. Step No. 7 is registry tweaks. To speed up your computer, first thing we gonna need to do is right click on our Start button. Hit Run. Delete what's ever there, and type regedit regedit and hit Enter. Now make sure that we go to HKey local current user. We go to Control Panel again. Then we double click the mouse folder. Now we want to make sure we double click the mouse. Now we gonna edit value data. We double click it and change the value from 400 to 10. Hit OK. On the same folder, we want to make sure we click on Desktop. Now we want scroll down to Menu Show Delay. So, double click Menu Show Delay, and change the value from 400 to somewhere again between 0 to 20. I am gonna just type in 10, and hit OK. Now you won't see the difference until you restart your computer. But what's gonna happen is, your response time by milliseconds again, it's gonna be faster a lot. Thank you friends for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel, and also like and share, and comment, if any.